Hello everyone, welcome to My Math Teacher. In this video, I am going to teach question number 6, 7 and 8 from the exercise 6.2. This is from the chapter Triangles for class 10 students from NCERT syllabus. Sixth question is, in figure, A, B, C are the points on OP, OQ and OR. These are 3 points A, B, C respectively, such that AB is parallel to PQ and AC is parallel to PR. We have to prove BC is parallel to QR. This is quite an easy problem. Now let us start solving this. Given AB is parallel to PQ. So we are going to solve using basic proportionality theorem. AB is parallel to PQ. Consider the triangle OPQ. By basic proportionality theorem, we can see OA by AP is equal to OB by BQ. So when I tilt this, this is the triangle, that is OPQ, that is OA by AP is equal to OB by BQ. Let us consider this as equation number 1. Next, AC is parallel to PR. This is given. You can see AC is parallel to PR. Now consider the triangle, that is OPR. In the triangle OPR, we can say OA divided by AP is equal to OC divided by CR. By basic proportionality theorem, in triangle OPR, OA divided by AP is equal to OC by CR. Let us consider this as equation number 2. Now, when you equate 1 and 2, we can see both the left hand side are same, which means RHS are also same. When LHS are same, we can write OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. OB by BQ, this is OB divided by BQ is equal to OC divided by CR, which means, so we can say the line BC and the line QR, they are parallel. So by converse of basic proportionality theorem, BC is parallel to QR. Converse is, when OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR, we can definitely say BC is parallel to QR. Hence proved. Seventh question is, using basic proportionality theorem, prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side. So let me consider this is the first side and second side and third side. Here a line is drawn through the midpoint of one side. So the first side, let us take this as the midpoint. It is drawn parallel to the another side. This is drawn parallel to another side. From this, when you are drawing the line, and it should bisect the third side, which means it should equally divide AC into two equal parts. So let us consider these 2 points. This one is ABC, D and E here. Now DE is the line which is parallel to BC. Now what we have to prove is AE should be equal to EC. This is what we have to prove. AE is equal to EC. In triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of, then DE is parallel to BC, which is given. We have to prove AE is equal to EC. When DE is parallel to BC, we can say by basic proportionality theorem, AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. here we can write AD is equal to DB because it's the midpoint. If this is X, this is also X. Both are the same value. We can write AD is equal to DB, which is AD can be written as AD. Both are same value. Now here AD instead of DB we can write AD because both are of same value, which is equal to AE by EC. Now left hand side when you divide it will be 1. So 1 is equal to AE by EC. Now when you bring AEC to the other side, it will be 1 into EC. When it comes here, it will be 1 into EC. That is EC is equal to AE, or we can write AE is equal to EC. This is what we have to prove, AE is equal to EC. Hence, 8th question is, using converse of basic proportionality theorem, prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. Let us consider this triangle ABC. Let us take side AB as the first side, AC as second side, and BC as third one. D is the midpoint of AB. This is the midpoint. And E is the midpoint of AC. Now, when you join D to E, this line is parallel to the third side. This line should be parallel to the third side. This is what we have to prove. Let us explain the diagram. We can say D and E are the midpoints of AB and AC respectively, and what we have to prove is DE is parallel to BC. As D is the midpoint, we can say that AD is equal to DB because it is the midpoint, it will be equal. Now, the same way AE is equal to EC. Now, here AD is equal to DB. So, I am bringing DB to the other side. AD divided by DB. So, here it will be 1. Just multiply DB when it goes to the other side. 1 into DB will be DB. Okay. Now, AD divided by DB is equal to 1. This is considered as equation number 1. Here the same way AE is equal to EC. AE divided by EC is equal to 1. This is considered as equation number 2. When EC comes here, it will be 1. Now, we can say equating 1 and 2. We can say right hand side 1, here the same 1 as well. So, when RHS are same, we can say LHS both are same. When we are equating 1 and 2, we can say AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. Now, what is AD divided by DB? This is from the diagram we can see AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. By converse of basic proportionality theorem, we can now say DE is parallel to BC. Only when they are parallel, AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. We can say that DE is parallel to BC. Hence proved. I hope you must have understood all the problems which I have solved in this video. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Keep practicing.